scared. Okay. Corgi rescue video. Yeah.
Oh, so cute.
Corgi rescue nih.
Rescue mission. Oh, careful. Yay.
What are you guys doing? Huh? Doing something cool?
Can you see the video directly?
I should be
Just
able
for
to.
test. Have it connect to your phone? Or...
No, I should see it here.
Oh, there's a monitor.
Oh.
Yeah. I'm gonna try and monetize you. Let's go.
You gotta start paying bills.
Yeah, start paying it. Ja, we gaan daar hinten door. Ja.
Ik ben wel gewend aan springen donder. En onze straat is een veel groter, want die heeft wel eens springen.
Oké. Ja. Hij springt heel graag en heel snel. Ja, hij mag geen koekje hebben, maar... Ja, goed zo. Willow? Wind. Oh, he just rolls.
Yeah. He just tumbles.
Yeah.
Tako.
Yeah.
No.
Have him.
Again.
Oh, hij is
Oh, you want?
Hij is vies.
Hij is vies. Hij lekt.
Yep.
Hi, volunteers tribute.
There you go. Okay.
Oh, you're vies. She's so dirty.
Yeah, it's okay.
Hello.
Huh?
That was a
Hello.
white.
Yeah. Was
Off-white.
Good boy.
no, that's for sure. He's so tired.
He's like, just take
He's
me
done.
away.
Oh, Julie.
He drooled full on.
That's why you bring it back. Hey. You okay?
Let's play tennis when we get back, and then I can use this shirt and then I can throw it away. Ik heb morgen indoor, joggen.
Oh, cool.
Nice. Oh shit. Yeah.
With
the wrong shoes.
Yeah,
Yeah. That's the biggest.
But still, oh.
yeah, we need to
Let me can use it. Hey. You're gonna get down. You Tako.
Tako barking ya, jangan kaget.
Kenapa dia barking?
Ya nggak mau, dia takut. Auntie no.
Masalahin Tako.
Tako. Auntie Maria, bisa nih.
Oh, nice.
Nice. And then tap the top, tap it, puff, kayak gitu. No, bukan di atas. Ya, puff. Di atas.
Atap.
Udah kan?
Atas.
No, then you do the tap on the stove. Ah, menang. Good job.
Go, Ray.
Bisa kok. Nah.
Nice.
Nah, good job. Kuat nih. Ayo.
Nice.
Aduh, chips.
Takut kalau orang lain. Hai.
Oh, emang gitu dia.
Udah aja, udah nggak
protek lagi nih.
Udah nggak protek lagi.
The dad stance. Vote Maria.
Mereka nanti aku kirim ya, Beb?
Iya.
Atau mereka berdua.
Gak saya ngomong di sini dong.
Sian, sukses.
Lihat guys, lihat di sana.
Yummy.
Ada proyek baru sukses.
Semuanya.
Langsung kacamata.
One, two,
Gak penting.
Dua. Anjir gak penting banget. 1, 2. Gak aja.
Halo.
Ini Vianden Castle vlognya. Udah ya? Oh, itu gigi juga di bawah. Genau.
Dong apa ya?
Genau. Oh, iya.
Hello, hello.
I like.
Hey.
She's upset she's not gonna be a tornado.
It is day 2 of us camping in Luxembourg. We yesterday spent the whole day taking some nice walking trails, and I just got a new camera, the Insta360 30 or GO 3S, something like that, which I pinned to Tako's collar so we get a little TakoCam going. But he's just so close to the ground that all I saw was just like paws and dirt. So I'm gonna get him like a harness tripod or something for future trips. But it was fun to get an idea of how that would work. But today we're just gonna head into Vianden because the weather's kind of iffy, and if it rains we can just like dip into a cafe or a museum or something. Vianden's just about 30 minutes drive away, and it's beautiful apparently. I don't think I've ever been there, but yeah, excited. So yeah, I'm just waiting for everyone to shower and get ready and everything, and then we're gonna head out.
Ini si Sian udah berhobi banget ya kopi sekarang. Iya pesen kayak gini. Wait.
This is gonna be like no, they won't be there. Like
Berbahasa Belanda susah sih, Beb.
Emang susah banget.
nyetir.
Aku nyetir. Oke. Paling kita nyampe surga. Oke, Dora the Explorer.